Hello and welcome to PlumbingPartsPro.com. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common Price Pfister cartridges for Pfister faucets that fit a lot of their kitchen faucets these days. This here is the Pfister 974074, and this is fits a lot of the common faucets these days. It's a very tiny cartridge. If you look at it here, this thing's pretty small. Got the gaskets on the bottom, the two notches where it mounts in the valve body. We're going to take some measurements here. This thing only measures about 1 inch in diameter, and the length of it about 1 inch and 15/16, just under 2 inches. With the little notch hanging out, it's right at about 2 inches. It's got a square head for the handle to fit on. Something you ought to change with that, because sometimes it's difficult getting them on and off and damages the nut, is the 962075 bonnet nut. And what that does, this is the nut here, threaded nut. This goes on top of the cartridge and holds it in place. You would tighten that down, and that's what mounts it into the faucet, holds it securely. And that nut applies pressure to these gaskets to seat it against the bottom of the brass in the valve body. If you guys have any questions about this cartridge, please give me a comment below or an email, info@plumbingpartspro.com. I've got a lot of these in stock and I can ship them out fast. I'll put a link in the description to the product and the website. And thanks a lot for checking us out. Please give us a subscribe. I got a lot of videos coming up on a lot of these different parts. It's really nice to be able to see it from all angles rather than looking at a picture. And that's what we're here to try to help you out at plumbingpartspro.com. Thanks a lot. You have a good day.